Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I bought these traps that I have for my garden. I like to just have them inside just for anything to keep my garden kind of pest free. They're really easy to use. They do come in doubles. You just have to take them apart. There's 6 pieces in this. You literally just take it apart, put it wherever you want to in your garden, and then just check up on them once in a while, and easy peasy, throw them in the trash. It's got like a glue on it, so it's going to keep a lot of insects and things outside of your garden if you want it. It's the first time that I ever used them, and I found it very handy. It kept my garden pretty clean and tidy, and kept all the other things out of it that I didn't need. So I found it super simple to use, and I like the fact that you get a bunch of them so that you have it throughout the summer. You don't really need a lot, I find. It was very easy to use, but that's just my point of view.